Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. It's been a while since we've done a giveaway on the channel, so I thought we'd give away this half-inch drive impact wrench. Comes with 2 batteries and a charger. Really cool thing is it also works with Makita batteries, so if you already have those, you can slap it on here and just go to town. Now we're going to run the giveaway for about a week. It'll be a random draw to select the winner. We're also going to throw in some Struggleville swag I'll show you here in a second. The entry link is down below to go to my website. You'll have to be a subscriber to the channel to enter. After subscribing, you will unlock other entry options. I don't know what they'll be, but it'll be simple stuff like last year I did a video on this tool, and you can watch the video to earn an extra entry. Maybe I'll have some where you just click a link and you get an extra entry. In addition to the impact wrench kit, you'll also get some Struggleville swag. So here's the all-new Struggleville pen. You will be the first one to get a new pen. We got a magnet, we got a sticker, we got a keychain, bottle opener, and we have the ever popular conversion chart magnet. Convert your SAE to your metric to your SAE. Throw it on your toolbox and never be confused again. So there you go, guys. This giveaway is going to run for about a week. Get in with the link down below. Good luck to everybody. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and click the bell.